Hey, Henry McClure Live. Coming to you live from 3625 Southwest 29th Street, the Glass Houses studio, home of the Ryan Mowinkle empire of commercial real estate and his State Farm office upstairs. So we've got 1,084 square feet here available. We're getting it painted up a nice neutral color, getting it slicked up. Come take a look at it. Kick the tires. We got a nice parking lot, well lit. If you watch my videos, you see some of my night videos outside in the outside studio. So I think a fair rent is $1,200. All your utilities are paid. We've got common area restroom. You basically have your own private restroom. Nice kitchenette. When you walk in, there's a reception area. There's a window to the receptionist's office. Then you got 3 nice offices. You'll be part of the Glass Houses studio.